Hey folks, we got here is a Kona 2020. We're going to do the rear wiper blade. See it? Alright, I bought the brand from Napa. It's also Bosch makes the exact fit. What you want is you want the exact fit so that you don't have to play with any adapters and stuff. Okay, AutoZone sells one, but there's like 2 adapters. You got to make them fit. Exact fit, exactly what it says. It'll just click right on, and I'm going to show you that. Alright, I'm going to set you up on the tripod here. Basically, you're going to lift this arm up like this, and this arm is going to, the blade is just going to twist off like that. Okay, so let me set you up here and I'll show you. So you lift the arm up out of the way like that, and I'm going to show you how quickly it goes. Hang on. Okay, you ready? Pay attention. I'm going to give a test later. Push it up a little bit more so you can see it. All right. Basically, it's just going to tilt like that, and it's going to come out in my hands. See that? And you wiggle it out. There's a little tiny little, rod in there that fits in this rod over here. So if you want to put the original one back on, just line it up with that rod. See? Snap it back on, and you're good to go. See it? All right. So here we go. Let's take the old one off. Throw that away. Here is the new one. There's the little pin that I'm telling you about. It goes right in there. Sits in that little slot in there. I don't know if you can see it. And then this snaps in. And that's it. There you go. Wiper Blade 101. Kona. Nice and easy. Easy peasy. Here it is right here. This is the one I use from Napa. 6-011-A. Like I said, Bosch makes one too. This one was about 15 bucks. All right. Thanks for watching.